6 dangerous fruits seniors should never eat. Fruits have always been considered nature's perfect snack. They're packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and hydration, making them the go-to choice for staying healthy. But for seniors, not all fruits are created equal. Some fruits, despite their wholesome reputation, can pose serious risks due to blood sugar spikes, medication interactions, digestive issues, and even choking hazards. In this video, we'll dive into 6 fruits seniors should avoid or consume with great caution, and explain why these otherwise popular foods may not be as harmless as they seem. Stick around, and we'll also share safer alternatives and tips for guilt-free, enjoyable fruit consumption. Fruits are undoubtedly a staple in most healthy diets, but aging bodies don't process foods the same way. Here's what makes certain fruits risky. First, high sugar content can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels, especially for seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes. Even naturally occurring sugars in fruits with high glycemic indexes, like mangoes or bananas, can spike glucose levels, putting additional strain on the body. Second, some fruits are known to interact negatively with medications commonly prescribed to seniors. For example, grapefruit is notorious for its ability to interfere with drugs used to manage blood pressure, cholesterol, or anxiety. These interactions can render medications less effective or even lead to life-threatening side effects. Third, digestive discomfort becomes more common with age, especially with fruits that contain too much fiber or acidity. Overconsumption of certain fruits can lead to bloating, acid reflux, or even minor intestinal irritation. Finally, choking hazards are a lesser discussed but serious issue. Hard fruits, small berries, and unremoved pits or seeds can pose significant danger for seniors, especially for those with swallowing difficulties. Armed with this understanding, let's go over the 6 fruits that seniors should approach with caution. Mangoes are juicy, sweet, and undeniably delicious. They're rich in vitamins like A and C, along with fiber and antioxidants, making them seem like a health hero. However, mangoes have a downside that's often overlooked: their high sugar content. Why are mangoes dangerous? For seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes, the sweet allure of mangoes can quickly become a problem. Mangoes have a high glycemic index, meaning they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. These spikes, if frequent, can contribute to increased symptoms of diabetes and even further complications over time. Safer alternative: replace mangoes with lower glycemic index fruits like blueberries or apples. These provide sweetness without sending blood sugar levels soaring. Pineapple is another tropical favorite, prized for its bright flavor and unique texture. It's loaded with important enzymes like bromelain, which are said to aid digestion. But for seniors, this tangy fruit might be better left off the plate. Why are pineapples dangerous? The high acidity of pineapple can irritate the stomach lining or trigger acid reflux, particularly troubling for seniors who may already experience digestive issues. Bromelain, while beneficial in small amounts, can also cause discomfort if overconsumed. Safer alternative: bananas are a gentle-on-the-stomach alternative. They're low in acidity and easy to digest while still being sweet and satisfying. A breakfast staple in many households, grapefruit is often marketed as a superfruit for its low calorie count and high vitamin C content. But what many seniors don't know is that this popular fruit can be downright dangerous for those taking common medications. Why is grapefruit dangerous? Grapefruit contains compounds that interfere with enzymes in the liver responsible for breaking down medication. As a result, drugs such as cholesterol-lowering statins, blood pressure medications, and even some anxiety treatments may not work as intended, or worse, may have toxic effects. Safer alternative: swap grapefruit for oranges or other citrus fruits that don't carry the same risks, but still provide a fresh burst of vitamin C. Dried fruits often seem like the perfect healthy snack, convenient, long-lasting, and nutrient-dense. However, they're far from ideal for seniors who should be cautious about their sugar intake. Why are dried fruits dangerous? Drying fruits concentrates not only their flavors, but also their sugar and calorie content. This makes portions deceivingly small, yet capable of significant blood sugar spikes. Additionally, some dried fruits are treated with sulfites during processing, which can irritate sensitive digestive systems. Safer alternative. Instead of dried fruits, consider fresh snacks like celery with peanut butter or a handful of raw nuts. These provide crunch and nutrients without the high sugar content. Small, colorful, and packed with antioxidants, berries are some of the healthiest fruits available. However, not all berries are created equal, especially for aging individuals with swallowing concerns. Why are certain berries dangerous? Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, or even grapes can pose choking hazards due to their size and slippery texture. This is particularly risky for seniors experiencing swallowing difficulties or reduced jaw strength. Safer alternative. Instead of whole berries, opt for berry purees blended into smoothies or yogurt. This way, seniors can still enjoy the health benefits in a safer form. Fruits containing hard pits or small seeds might look harmless, but they're a hidden danger for seniors, especially for those with reduced dexterity or cognitive challenges. Why are fruits with pits or seeds dangerous? Hard pits or seeds, such as those in cherries, pose a swallowing hazard if not removed beforehand. Additionally, biting down on a hard pit accidentally can lead to dental damage, a common issue in older adults. Similarly, seeds in citrus fruits like oranges can be accidentally swallowed or cause minor digestive irritation. Safer alternative. Always remove pits and seeds before serving, or opt for seedless fruits when available. Now that we've discussed the risks, let's talk about how seniors can still enjoy fruits while minimizing dangers. Here are some practical tips. Choose safer fruits. Low-sugar options like apples, pears, and berries offer a safe balance of nutrients without the risk of spiking blood sugar. Moderation is key. Even healthy fruits should be consumed in moderation. Stick to recommended portions to ensure a balanced diet. Peel and prepare fruits appropriately. For hard-skinned or seeded fruits, peeling and removing potential hazards is essential. This improves digestibility while reducing choking risks. Blending and cooking fruits. For individuals who struggle with swallowing or chewing, consider blending fruits into smoothies or cooking them into soft purees. This retains their nutritional value in a more manageable texture. The message here isn't to avoid fruits altogether. Far from it. Fruits are an essential component of a well-rounded diet. The key is to select fruits carefully and consume them in ways that are safe and healthy. Seniors can and should continue to enjoy the natural sweetness and nutrition of fruits, but with a little added mindfulness. By avoiding high-risk options like mangoes, pineapples, and grapefruits and opting for safer alternatives like apples, pears, and thoroughly prepared fruits, seniors can maintain a balanced diet without risking their health.